Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment in Colorado. First, confirm you meet the state's eligibility criteria, which generally includes being unemployed through no fault of your own and actively seeking work. Next, collect all required information such as your social security number, driver's license, and detailed employment history for the past 18 months. This preparation will streamline your application. Once you have your documents ready, navigate to the Colorado Department of Labor and Employment website and access the My UI Plus portal. You'll need to create an account if you don't already have one. Carefully fill out the application, providing precise details about your work history, reasons for unemployment, and personal information. Accuracy is key to avoid delays in processing your claim. After submitting your application, the state will review your information and issue a monetary determination, detailing your weekly benefit amount and the total duration of benefits. Be prepared for potential follow-up calls or interviews to clarify details. If your claim is denied, you have the right to appeal the decision within a specific time frame, usually 20 days from the mailing date of the determination. To keep receiving unemployment benefits, you must certify your eligibility every week, confirming you are able and available for work. You also need to actively search for new employment and meticulously record your job search activities, as these may be audited. Remember to report any earnings from part-time work. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Staying informed helps ensure your benefits continue smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.